Babe, calm down, eh? Calm down, I want to tell you something. Wait now, you feel like this. I just catch your man Odo Barara. Hey! If you want to kill me, come on, boy, now, ma. Hey! I want to even party. No, now. I just want to follow him so that I can go and have fun. You know, I've been stressed lately.
Baba. Yes, I've gotten the sacrifice. Yes. No, nobody saw me. Yes, I'm coming now. Hello, Baba. I'm there already. Where you asked me to stop. Where are you now?
I am here. Yes. I am here. Oh, yes.
Where you my cousins?
I was in your bum. I was inside your grave.
Did you see me?
No, I didn't see you. I did not see you at all. So this is what you do.
No, I'm just helping her.
You are helping her. Helpless of the widow.
She's sick.
The help of the widow. She is sick. Hey! So you are one of those people that use our girls for rituals?
No.
Oh, I know.
No.
He said no.
It's just a harmless helping.
Harmless helping. You are going to be harmful now. Makachine Kena, you are going. Boys, oh yeah.
No.
Boys, oh yeah. Come on.
Boss, come on. I told you. After they told me that once I bring her, Mama will do whatever he wants to do. Money will come. Whoa! Hey! Boom! I told you, I don't want to be seen. I told you I don't want to be seen. How you got to the car? I don't know. What is this? You are smelling. to see Baba. I'm going to see Baba.
Elie Baba carry more.
Hey!
Elie Baba carry more. You have seen the Baba. This is the Baba of all Babas. Tule mogadigi mma. Lenu mogamasigi. Yahi mere onye ọzọ emegi ya ọgadigi mma. Oke ọchịchọ adịghị mma. Chere ka Chukwu gọzie gị o. Yahi mere nwanne gị emegi ya ọgadigi mma. Tule mogamasị gị o. Ịhụnanụ ọgadigi mma. Yahi mere nwanne gị emegi ya ọgadigi mma. Oke ọchịchọ. Oke ọchịchọ na-ebute oke ọnwụ ike. Akwa ịhụnanya. What goes around comes around. Ma afọ gị. Agbabi ukwu nnu. Everywhere, piam. Hey, I don't catch odogwu parara. Lay your odogwu parara pasala gị n'ọhịa. You catch a lot of hey, one sweet bobo. Hey, one chingom bobo. You want to go and chop carrot. You want to go and take cucumber. Just go and thank your God that I came out. I was smart enough to understand what was going on. If not, kita atu ka kasi do go castrate egu. Ebu kugu no, ebu ton. Nga ga acha gị mabuza. Idiot of no in comparison. Unu were wa you na do.